Question 14. What it's talking about this is a farmer that feeds his cows with hay each day, and the number of days that his hay will last is inversely proportional. So that's a key piece of information there, to the number of cows he has. Now what that means is the number of days that it will last will be shorter the more amount of cows he has, which makes sense. The more cows, the shorter the amount of hay will last. So as one goes up, the other one goes down. Now, when we're writing an inverse proportion question, it's all about making sure that we understand the notation and how to create the equation. So, if we were talking about here, the number of days is proportionate to the 1 over c, which means inversely proportionate. So, as c goes up, d goes down. As d goes down, c goes up, etc. Now, what we've got to do, we've got to use our fact here, because it tells us that 280 cows, it'll last for 25 days to create an equation. So this is how we do it. D is proportion to the inverse of C. We're going to change this inverse proportion to equals K over C. So we're going to introduce this constant, and we're going to now use our fact to find that constant. So we've got 25 days is K over 280. The opposite of dividing by 280 is to times by 280. So K must be 25 times 280, which is 7,000. So putting this back into this formula, I have an equation here. D is equal to 7,000 over C. Now in part B, it's basically asking us to use that. It's saying a farmer has 350 cows. How long will it last? Now if you think about it, it's got more cows here than it had there, so it should last for less than 25 days. That's what this question is trying to get at. But let's have a look at what the formula actually produces for us. So D is equal to 7,000 over C, and this time it's 7,000 over 350. So it's going to do is 20, which makes sense with what we were expecting in the problem.